In this video, we will review scanning equipment serial number barcodes, transferring the equipment between locations, assigning the equipment to a job, updating equipment status, and when needed, printing equipment serial number barcodes via the mobile application with a supported Bluetooth printer. Starting off, we can open up our scanner from any screen or navigate to the warehouse that we're operating in. Here, I will scan the equipment serial number, and then I will be presented with these following options. I can view the equipment as you would within your catalog. I can change the status of the equipment. I can assign it to a job, or in this case, I can transfer it to a different warehouse location as we're reorganizing where our equipment is stored. Now, once again, from any screen, I can open up and scan the material barcode. Scanning that equipment serial number barcode will show me that this has now been moved to the new warehouse location. If I want to assign it to a job, I simply have to select a job, choose the technician that will be doing the actual install, and putting in notes if necessary. Once it's assigned and I scan it, I will see that this equipment is now marked installation, which is a status, and that it is for this job. To reprint equipment serial number barcodes when needed, simply navigate over to the equipment tab within your stock location, tap on the three dots, and choose to print barcodes. Here, as long as your printer is connected via Bluetooth, you will be able to proceed with printing. Once satisfied, simply tap print and finish.